I bet you didn't know sharpening could be this easy. Until now. Imagine this, you, hands-on, learning to sharpen like a pro with Jason Pintel guiding you every step of the way. No more guesswork, no more endless YouTube videos. Jason's personalized instruction means you get immediate feedback, ensuring you master those precise techniques. It's like having a sharpening guru right by your side. And the best part? You can ask questions, troubleshoot on the spot, and engage in real-time problem solving. This kind of interactive learning builds your confidence and skills faster than any manual or online tutorial ever could. Plus, Jason's supportive approach makes the whole experience not just educational, but truly inspiring and motivating. So, why wait? Get ready to transform your sharpening game with Jason Pintel. Because when it comes to mastering your craft, nothing beats the power of hands-on training. Ready to get started? Let's sharpen those skills together.